Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see the difference between retesting and regression testing. So the difference between retesting and regression testing, it is one of the very important question asked by interviewer in the interviews. So there are 8 differences I have listed here for the retesting and regression testing. So we will see one by one. The first one is retesting definition. So retesting means testing the functionality or bug again to ensure the code is fixed, while the regression testing is carried out to confirm whether a recent program or code change has not adversely affected existing feature. The second one is retesting is done based on the defect fixes, mean the verification of the defects. While the purpose of regression testing is that new code changes should not have any side effects on existing functionalities. The third difference that defect verification is a part of retesting, but defect verification is not a part of regression testing. You cannot automate the test cases for retesting, while you can do automation for regression testing. Here, the retesting is a planned testing, while the regression testing is known as a generic testing. In for retesting, it is done only for failed test cases, while the regression testing is done for past test cases. The seven difference is retesting makes sure that the original fault has been corrected, means doing the retesting for the test cases. While the regression testing checks an unexpected side effects while doing the verification or while doing the retesting. The eight difference is that priority of retesting is higher than regression testing, so it is carried out before regression testing. While the for the regression testing, it is carried out after the retesting. Means here, based on the project and availability of resources, regression testing can be carried out parallel with retesting or after the retesting. So these are the main 8 differences between retesting and regression testing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep learning.